Hi everyone, just thought I'd give a put a quick video together for you so that you can access the recordings of any of the live collaborate sessions that you might have missed, or you might just like to go back and listen to them again to refresh your memory, which is always a good idea. So you can see here we've got the dashboard, and I've pulled up the home screen where you can see Collaborate. So clicking on Collaborate there, and now if you want to go to the recordings, you click on these three little lines over here in the left hand corner and click on Recordings. And you'll see there that our live session from last night on preparing for placement, the recording is now available. So you click on that there. Sometimes after a period of time, these might disappear, and the way to access them is if you don't see them here, they are still there, but they might just be moved off this page. So you come over to this right hand side here and you'll see it says recent recordings, which obviously last night's is, but if you click on the arrow, you can also start selecting recordings within a range. So you just adjust the dates, and I'll just go back here, and within, you can click on here. So I've given a range of over a week or so, but you can make your range longer or longer if needed. And then as we do more live sessions throughout this teaching period, there will be you'll be able to access them through this recordings in a range, and you should see the other recordings here too. So just a quick little video there to show you, just in case you weren't sure how to access recordings if you didn't have the link.